Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I again came with a product review, but today this video is all about baby essential stuff, and I gonna unbox extra comfy baby piano gym mat. It's a multifunctional piano gym mat, and here the net weight and measurement and all it's given. So I got this from Take a Lot, and I got this for 266 rands. You can try this product to keep your baby stimulated and entertained. With a quick and easy assembly and oversized piano buttons, this is a great for giggles, naps, and play no matter where you are. So here is the product. It's very easy to assemble, and here is the mat. So I bought this product when my baby is just 2 months old. Now she is almost 6 months completed. I'm still using this product. As you can see, it has a bright light, adorable hangings, a sensory toys, and music which stimulate early stage baby development. You can just remove the buttons and you can just use as a play mat. And also rattles, you can just remove or you can clip it to your cots or prams or rockers. You can see my baby is enjoying this. This was when she was just 2.5 months old. Coming to the product features, it has three sound modes: piano mode, music mode, and keyboard mode. Different interactive sounds like sleeping songs, piano sounds, and music. Helps for strengthening baby's arms, legs, tummy, and neck muscles. Oversized keys can be kicked with the feet or tapped with the hands. Sensory rattle toys for stimulation. So, guys, coming to the development, it stimulates a visual and auditory recognition for babies, and also for tactile ability, fine motor skills, and hand eye coordination. So, it has a steady arc frame and it is very quick to set up. As I told you before, it has a detachable toys you can use for cots, rockers, etc. And it has a piano paddle which is also included. It uses 3 AA batteries and batteries are not included. Coming to the dimension, it is of 73 cross 40 cross 58 centimeter. So guys, this is very useful because I bought this when my baby is 2 months. Now she is sitting by her own. So what we can do is, while lying down, you can make it flat, but for sitting purpose, you can just tilt it. You can just tilt the piano paddle such that babies can sit and also can use the piano paddle. I think this is the best ever purchase because babies needs some activities, right? So they can also lay down and use this, or they can sit and use this as given in the picture. They can step back and use this product. If you wish to buy this product, the product link will be on my description. Thank you.